Hello friends, just see another truck has been stuck. This is the smart city Panaji. The work is going on. And another truck here has been stuck. This is the fourth or fifth and the JCB has been brought here to remove this. This has blocked the entire traffic on this road. People are already inconvenienced due to this whole thing. This is right on the Santini junction. The road leading to Karanjale, Tonka and the other side is Taligaon. Here they are trying to remove. Yes.